Welcome back! If you've been considering taking a step back from your professional Instagram account and transitioning to a personal profile, today we'll show you exactly how to achieve that. Instagram is a space where business engagement, artistic expression, and personal connections converge. And switching from one account type to another can be a significant step in your journey on this platform. The first step is to open Instagram on your phone. After that, click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen and from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up the Instagram settings. Choose the Creator Tools and Controls section. Now, click on the Switch Account Type option here. Choose the personal account, and here it states that when I switch back, my insights will be turned off and all insights from my content and promotions will be permanently removed. So, keep that in mind. All data and insights you have with the professional account will be deleted, and you won't be able to recover that information. You won't have a professional dashboard anymore. So, if you're certain about wanting to switch, simply tap on the switch to a personal account, and that's it. That's how you can easily remove the professional account on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.